Welcome back. In this lesson, we will explore the data panel in Fusion 360, the hub for managing all your design files and projects. By the end of this video, you will know how to create and name a project, upload files from your computer, organize files using folders, use the right-click options to manage files efficiently. Now let's get started. To access data panel, simply click on this icon in the top left corner. The data panel is where all your Fusion 360 files are stored and managed. Since Fusion 360 is cloud-based, your projects are saved online, allowing you to access them from any device. You can store, organize, and collaborate on your design right from here. Okay, let's start by creating a new project. Projects help you organize files and keep designs grouped together. Click on New Project button, type a name for the project. Let's call it Fusion 360. Press Enter to create the project. Now a new folder has been created. Now we have a dedicated space for all our Fusion 360 designs. Now double click on Fusion 360. In this folder, on the top right, you can see Upload and New Folder. Upload lets you import files from your computer into Fusion 360. Now let's upload a file. To upload a file into Fusion 360, click on Upload button. Click the Select Files and choose a CAD file from your computer. Click Upload to begin the process. Once the upload is complete, your file will be available in the data panel ready to use in Fusion 360. Okay, to keep things organized, we can create folders within our project. Click on the New Folder button. Name the folder Projects. Press Enter to create it. Okay, now we have created a new folder in Fusion 360 project. Now we will see how to manage right-click options. When you right-click on a file in the data panel, you will see several options to manage your designs. Open, rename, move, delete, copy, etc. If you want to rename the file, let's rename the file by selecting Rename, typing a new name and pressing Enter. Now if you want to move the projects folder by selecting Move. Likewise, all the options have their own functions. Now that's how you manage files using the data panel in Fusion 360. You can not only import Fusion 360 files, you can also import other CAD files. In the next video, we will explore how to work in offline and online mode. Thank you.